Hi everyone. So every process has room to improve, whether you're running a classroom or kitchen or a simple company. So Lean Six Sigma helps by eliminating the waste and the errors, while the theory of constraint focuses on fixing the slowest part of the system. So in this presentation, we will be breaking down both the methods with real world examples you can relate to. So let's unlock it step by step. What is Lean Six Sigma? So, Lean Six Sigma is a combination of Lean and Six Sigma, where Lean is speed and waste reduction, and Six Sigma is quality and defect reduction. So, it's a powerful business improvement method that blends speed and precision. So, it typically follows the DMAT method, which comes in Six Sigma, and that has define, measure, analyze, improve, and control to solve the problem systematically. So, in short, this Lean Six Sigma, doing the things faster with Lean and doing the things better with Six Sigma. So, there is one example here where there is a food delivery app where they using the lean principle for reducing the late deliveries and using the Six Sigmas for wrong orders reductions by using the customer's feedback and route optimization. What is lean philosophy here? So, lean philosophy is all about doing more with less, like less time, less waste, and fewer errors. So, lean philosophy focuses on creating more values for customers by eliminating waste, improving the process, and optimizing the resources. So, we this focuses on eliminating the waste and maximizing the value, originated from the Toyota production system, and this is the core principle they follow: define value, map the value stream, then create a flow, establish the pull, and pursue the perfection. So this is the creep principle of lean philosophy. So it helps us focus only on what the customers truly values and remove everything that does not add any value. So whether you are running the factory or tutoring business, lean helps you streamlining and shine. So suppose there is one real time example here. So there is a car manufacturing company. Okay. So time management begins. There is a worker stands near the clock. So this represent a shift planning and time tracking. So lean focuses on reducing the delays and managing the time efficiently. Then car is on the lift for assembly here or for the inspection. Okay. So red car is elevated here. So this is where the parts are added or checked. So it is part of the main assembly line. Then a worker drives here and it's he's carrying a car parts. So this shows the internal logistics teams are there which are moving parts just in time to where they are needed. So just in time is also a inventory term which is used here, and we will be we will be creating a new presentation or a video for this in later parts. Yeah, coming to the example, so there is a worker who drives a forklift and carrying a car parts, and this shows the internal logistics. Okay, and under the hood inspection here, another worker checks the engine or internal whatever components are there. So this is a quality control and identifying and fixing defects. And there is also a supervisor here, a person who oversees the process, likely checking progress or whatever they have to verify the standards. So this reflects a monitoring and the continuous improvement here. So this red cars moves along with the belt. So this is a core assembly line where each station adds value step by step. Okay. So yeah, so this is the example here how the real time example is there where lean principle are adding into this and how it is completed. Yeah. So now there is a theory of constraint. So what is theory of constraint? So TOC is like fixing the slowest part of an assembling line. So every process has a bottleneck or a constraint that limit overall performance, and improving the areas other than the bottleneck won't increase output. That focuses on improvements efforts on the weakest link to maximize the result. So you find the bottleneck, improve it, and move on to the next. So there are five focusing steps here, where we have to identify the constant first, where we find the slowest or the most limiting part of the process. Then comes the exploit the constraint step, where we make the most of it without the major changes. Then there is a subordinate everything else, aligning all other steps to support the constraint. Fourth one is to elevate the constraint, where we improve or eliminate it through the investment or redesigning it. And the last is repeat. So once it is fixed, we move to the next constraint which comes and repeat the cycle like that. So now there is a real time example here. So in a food delivery system, this so a driver can deliver, this driver can deliver 50 orders per hour, and restaurant prepare like 40 orders per hour, and payment processing handles only 20 like orders per hour. Okay, so the payment system is a constraint here. So fixing it first boosts the whole system. So this mismatch slows down the entire system. So like to improve whatever flow is there, we need to elevate the constraint first, streamline it, the payment step, and then automate the approvals or add the more processor here. So that's the lean and theory of constraint in action. So fix the weakest link and the whole chain gets stronger. So here is a quiz time. So let's test what we have learned with a quick quiz over here on lean philosophy and the theory of constraint. And you just answer like comment down your answers in the comment box. So what we have learned today is lean, which helps us move faster. Then there is a TOC, theory of constraint, which helps us move smarter. So together they turn chaos into clarity. So whether you are building a car, delivering a food, or creating a content, so what is the key here? Find the bottleneck or the constraint, fix the flow, and never stop improving. Thank you so very much. Please subscribe my channel and like this video, and comment down below whatever your doubts or the answers for the quiz I have mentioned over here. Thank you so very much.